Tired of struggling with a malfunctioning keyless entry remote? The ACDelco GM Original Equipment 4-button keyless entry remote offers a straightforward, dependable solution. Designed specifically for GM vehicles, this remote delivers all the essential functions you expect: lock, unlock, panic, and trunk release, right at your fingertips. If you want a remote that feels like the one that came with your car, this is it. What sets this remote apart is its genuine GM-approved quality. It's not just a generic replacement, it's a brand new original equipment, OE, part recommended by General Motors. That means you get the same durability and performance as your factory remote. Plus, it comes with a battery included, so you're ready to go the moment it arrives. No extra trips to the store or waiting around for parts. Programming this remote is surprisingly simple. You don't need a technician or expensive tools. Just follow the instructions in the attached PDF or your vehicle's owner's manual, and you can sync it yourself in minutes. One user shared their experience with a 2000 C5 Corvette, noting that after a few tries, the remote paired successfully, especially important if your vehicle's tire pressure sensor, TPS, is working properly, since the TPS and keyless entry system are linked. If you've ever been frustrated by a dealership that won't provide a working remote, this ACDelco replacement is worth a look. It's designed to restore convenience and peace of mind without the hassle. What you get is a reliable, factory-grade remote that fits perfectly and performs just as you'd expect from GM. If that's you, someone who values quality, ease, and original equipment reliability, this remote is a smart investment. It saves you time, avoids unnecessary service visits, and keeps your vehicle's security intact. Try it when you're ready and experience the difference of a genuine GM remote.